slimy. Put your finger in there.
No.
A little more fat. Ooh, it's pooping. Yeah, you must have eaten Taco Bell. Turtle Lake, back at it again. Summertime. Atypical for this lake. This is the first fish, and we've been here 35-40 minutes. Just a little guy, but I don't know if you want me to measure him. It's like 13. Bent my hook in the process, so I'm gonna get the slime off. That one was extra slimy. Alayna and I made a bet. First one to catch a fish wins $1, so she's got to pay up. I don't know how I'm gonna bend this without hurting myself. Just kind of a goofy hook, you know. I bent it a little bit out of whack, both ends. Seems to catch fish okay, so we're just gonna leave it for now. If I start having problems, I'll switch up lures and then replace that hook when we get home. So we're gonna get the lure back out. Oh, my hand is so slimy from that fish. That was probably the slimiest northern I've ever caught. I think next. Oh man, 2 in a row I missed. Not cool. Not exactly where I wanted it, but oh my god, 3 of them. Another little one. Feisty little buggers. Alright, she is. Asked very nicely. Not. Oh, I got a hook weird. Probably what, 12, 10, 13 ish. I don't get these, you know, because I'm not weighing them. We're just here to catch, just to have a little bit of fun on a weeknight. So I'm not, you know, super big, and I know they don't get huge in this lake, so I don't need to get an exact measurement for you guys or weigh them. I think the biggest one I've ever seen caught out of here was Alayna last summer. You caught what, 25?
23, I think.
23? That's the biggest fish I've ever seen out of here. So they don't get big, but there's a lot of them. I'm not holding it back at the 2-inch mark and going, yeah, it's 15 inches. What's the point in that? It'd be cool if you could get another hook set.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Scared me.
You got it.
Didn't even have it in the mouth.
Just
Had him up underneath the jaw. Alayna caught her a fish.
Woo.
There we go. Pretty fish.
Yeah.
It's got some weight compared to the last ones. 19.
Ooh.
19. We're on the right track. Should we see if it bites? I don't think it can. The way I hold them, it keeps their mouth open.
Oh.
See it let go.
Whoa!
Be a little more spunky. Starts warming up. Another fish. A little more fat. Ooh, it's pooping. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Little bastard.
Pooped on ya.
Yeah, there's a few things in this world I'd like to get shit on by, and fish isn't. Say what you want in the comments, but you know you're gonna get some schmuck. Oh, what the F is going on here?
Weeds.
Yeah. All tangled up. Another one. Same size. It's got poop hanging out of it. It's the same fish. Actually, this one's a little bigger. A little bigger.
Yeah.
Corner hook the mouth. Eat some fish for the lake. 19. Not too bad. He had a hard time. Still got him in my hand. He didn't even want to go. Maybe he just needed some love. Maybe he needed somebody to hold him for a bit. Going through a hard time. COVID's affected everybody. Maybe he just lost his job. He was gonna feed his family with that lure. Oh. There was this little guy. Just a tiny little bugger right there. No, there's no way he's popping himself off. Let me give it the old college try. Another one. I'm not even gonna measure it. Alayna's second of the day. Before the camera turned on, we had a little snafu. Came over to help, and she hooked her line and her steel leader on my lure, and then the fish took off with both. So we'll give you a little measure here. 15. We'll get it back in the water. This one might need a little bit of time here. There it goes. There it goes. Good job, Pump.
Thanks, babe.
Another one. It's got the same parasites as the other day. They're just getting slimier and slimier. It hit right next to the kayak. Ow. I mean, I watched it come up and smoke it. Planning on moving spots, and then boom. Shad rattle trap, 18 and a quarter. Let it go. Oh. 17. Oh, you bastard. Triple hooked himself. Another one. Ooh. What happened to his butt? You see it?
It's bleeding.
No, from his butt.
Oh, someone bit it?
I don't know what the hell happened. I'm gonna get him back, poor little guy. He must have eaten Taco Bell. Back at it. Nothing but babies today. And interesting, I'm just gonna pop these hooks and let them go. I got him in a spot where I can't really hold him. Fuck. There. Gone. That was, I hooked him in a really weird spot. I couldn't get my hand where I usually hold him. Alayna's got another fish.
You can just throw them in.
14? Yeah, first time fishing, that's really not nasty wind. This Abu Garcia Revo SX reel is just gorgeous. So nice. Just listen to that. Oh, the fish equivalent of tofu. Big fish. Jesus, Alayna. How do you manage to do this? To every fish you catch, it's always like the roughest fucking hook set. Yeah, it's dead.
Oh.
Oh!
Psych!
I'm all hooked up in the weeds. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, I barely got him. All right, one right there. Nice. 20 inch. That's what we're after in this lake, I guess. It's about the size you want. Call it a good fish. Alright, Alayna's last fish. It's a good one for the lake. It got her line all kinds of screwy. But decent fish. 19?
Yeah.
19.
How's your big? Oh wait, yours biggest is 20, right?
20.
Mm-hmm.
This one was kind of a psychopath. And now it's not wanting to do anything.
Whoa!
I am soaking wet. Just from that one fish. My lord. Alright.
Done.
Done. Good job, babe. Had a girl. See you later, Stinky. Thanks for coming, babe.